It's been a while since I've made a journal, so I thought I'd come on and show you what I've made. And this is a Wildflower themed journal. So here's the fun tassel. It's made bead by bead, link by link. So there's a little shot of that. Some charms and little paw print. The person I'm giving it to has a dog, so they're a dog person. And some little beads from a necklace. And so I just bought this chain at the local craft store and just removed link by link and put it back together with the beads on it. So that was kind of fun. And then it's attached by this piece of twine, which is wrapped around the middle signature and which holds an envelope. And then I just tied a bow there. All right, let's get into the journal. There's a creator called Three Birds Lane that I really like what she's done. She's put like a flip on the front cover, which is kind of clever. And so I thought I would try it. This is a birthday gift. So here's a card inside for the recipient. And this is made, all three of these pockets, etc., are made from hanging file folder, the green, which is a really lovely color. So I matched that with the coordinating papers. So here's a little pocket on the inside. And then this lovely little embellishment here, which I created using Canva and Graphics Fairy. So I just put this floral fantasy. So, you know, sometimes you like to have a name of the of the journal. So here's one pocket here. So there's a pocket here, a pocket here, and a pocket here. So in this larger pocket, I've got this tag, and it's a July birthday. So this is from a book, and then that just goes right in there. And this tag is made from a box, HP Insta Ink box, which I get my ink plan, and it's just the perfect thickness to make a really great tag. It's not as thick as corrugated cardboard, but it's nice and thick. I've done some sewing and stitching and left some threads and made it true kind of junk journal-y. So let's get into the journal itself. Here's the pockets that I've been making. This is just made from a base file folder, and then it's got three hinges. 1, 2, 3, and then I do put a tab on it so it's easier to get in and out of. And this little detail here is just one of these little clusters that I make. I just have a piece of cardboard here, and I just sew some lace ends and twine, and I've got some thread wrapped around there, and then I just finish it off with a button. And so I have hand sewed that on, and then I can just glue it right on there. And so maybe I'll find a place to put this, but they are bulky. So something to remember, of course, is that this sticks out quite a bit, so it will be pushing on the paper there. So I probably will put something on here, an envelope or something, just to flatten it so it's not making an indent in the paper. So these are some cute little cards. Now, the kit that I bought to make this journal is by Pink Monarch Prints, and these are some of the little cards from that kit, and it's the Wildflower kit. So I'll just show you a page from there. There's the middle page, is the Wildflower kit. Really pretty. And Kraft themed, color theme. And then these are cute little specimen cards. And these are from My Porch Prints. So I'll just show you how this comes. You just cut around, and then you cut on the inside, and you cut the butterfly separately. And so the frame, I sewed the frame onto a piece of file folder, and then I backed with a dictionary page and then put the butterfly on there. And so the back is the pretty paper there. So there, I don't know if you can make 2 copies of it and double the butterflies back to front and then do transparency. I didn't try that because I like the look of what I decided to go with. So let's quickly just go through the papers. So in the middle I have this envelope. So I just made this envelope myself with this little pocket on here. And then I made a little booklet. And so inside is all the little pieces of paper and the little floral tags from the kit, which I'll link in the description box. And so we'll just put this back like this. And there's a couple of things in there as well to look at. So on the back, I've made this transparency frame, and I really like this paper because it has all the different kind of some invoices and some orders, that kind of thing on it. So it makes it look really fun. And then this is transparency here. And so I cut out the frame first. Then I cut out another identical frame from file folder and put the transparency in between. And then I sewed the inner sewing line and then the outer sewing line. And then I added 3 of these hinges, 1, 2, 3, and then I glued it onto the page. And then I made this little tag, but this has a little tab there. So it sticks out a bit and it won't get lost inside, so you will be able to take it out. So that is it. I haven't made a journal for a long time, so this was really a lot of fun. It's been about 8 months since I've made a full journal, so I had a blast making this. All right, that's everything for me today. Take care. Bye.